Here we go. Patterns. Review question number 1. So in our first problem, we have a geometric sequence. Starts with -1/4, then b, then -1, and continues in the same vein, of course. So first thing we're being asked is to calculate the possible values of b, and that being quite easy. Remember, our constant ratio is t2 divided by t1. We always have the next term divided by the current term, next term, current term. So for this one, we'll have obviously p over -1/4 being equal to, well, -1 over p, and if we cross multiply that, we'll have p squared being equal to, well, a negative and a negative is a positive, 1/4. Well, there's obviously two ways to do this. You can just square root both sides, and that'll give us b being equal to plus or minus the square root of 1/4, and that's just equal to b being 1/2, or b being equal to -1/2. You could obviously also just transpose the 1/4. That'll be p squared over minus 1/4 being equal to 0. That's b plus 1/4, b minus 1/2. Let's just take care of that slight error over here. Yeah. So b plus 1/2 and b minus 1/2 all equal to 0. Then using the zero product rule, obviously get to the exact same result. Okay. Well, so now that we have that, let's just clear that area. Now, if b is equal to 1/2, calculate the 19th term of the sequence. Well, over here we have our a value. We know that r is equal to, let's have a look. Well, it's -1 divided by, well, 1/2, and that's just equal to -2. So here we have our r value, there we have our a value. So the general term is always equal to a multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. Substituting those values, we get -1/4 multiplied by, well, what's our ratio? As we said, -2. And, well, given that it's t19, that's 19 minus 1. And that's just, well, 18 in this case. As you can see, with any good calculator, that should be 2 to the power 16. That is term 19. Okay, moving right along. Well, our next question asks to write the sum of the first 20 positive terms of the sequence in sigma notation. Well, sigma notation, it refers to this funky symbol, Greek symbol. Well, where are we supposed to go to? From 1 to term 20. And then inside here, obviously, we need our general term, which we do have. Ooh, that went a bit far. Over here. So that's -1/4. And then we obviously have that as -2. And then be careful, it needs to be k minus 1. And from there we can close the bracket, and that answers that question. Is the geometric series formed in question 2.3 convergent? Well, we can see next to the sum to infinity on our formula sheet, which looks like this, there is a condition over there which states the following. Okay, our common ratio needs to be greater than -1 and less than +1, which just means it needs to be a proper fraction. And 2 is less than -1. Yeah? So no, our geometric series is not convergent for this reason.